Hello all, myself Venkata and this is our major project in Veltech. Our project title is Face Recognition Based Attendance System using Machine Learning. We are using an CNL algorithm for face recognition and our supervisor is Dr. Vil Kalpana. In her supervision we completed this project and my teammates are Bharat Reddy and Manohar, and I will give a brief explanation about our project. In our country, more than 1.5 billion people are there, and it is most populated country in the world. Over this much people in attendance management is doing manually or biometric process. For example, in institutes or colleges, they are taking the attendance through manually. Each and every person we need to call and then we need to take attendance. In that time, time will be consumed so much, and if we taken the attendance at first of our class, then it will make our brain disturbance, so we can't lecture perfectly. When it comes to companies, they need to come and get sign or need to give biometric, then only the attendance will be marked. For example, in banks, they need to give formal writing in books while they are attending, and they exit, they need to write. We don't know spoof happens means we don't know that thing if happens. So based on this drawback, so we try to give some better efficient result by using face recognition. So our system can gives an face recognition based system web portal in which we can add people, and then we can capture attendance through camera, or one by one we can also take. By in adding also we can add an image through a camera, or we can upload a file. So, if the camera is good, means we can take through camera only. If the camera is not good, we can upload a file. So that at first they need to log in. Our code is done in Flash framework. At first a manager or a teacher need to log in at first. These login details can be added through admin only. We can't share registration type page, because if registration is there in web portal, students can manipulate it. So we registration process can be done through admin only. While login, teacher need to give good correct credentials. After that, it goes to our home page. In that home page, if there is no data, we need to add the data to the server. It takes the image and then it stores in the server. After that, it captures the image when we need to do attendance. Okay, let's go to our project. Okay, let's run our project. I already compiled it. Now let's go to our project. So at first it will enter to a login page. It is the page in which a teacher or manager need to log in. Here there will be no registration page, because if there is a registration page, student will manipulate by registering and they will change the attendance records. That's why there is only login page. The registration details and all will be done by admin only. There will be no any other person need to do registration. So here let's try to log in at first by giving some email like @gmail.com and password any slot. I have added extra thing like slot, because if this is slot only one will be there for each student, each teacher and one subject, because there will be no two subject to a slot. Because for example, the slot numbers like S1, S2, S3, S4, there like means if a teacher did a subject at S1, means there will be no another subject at S1 slot. So I given something like that. Here it is asking to please match the requested format, because I given it Gmail. But the match format is our institute is Weltech University. That's why I given Weltech as an input. Okay, now let's log in. Oh, no. It is asking login failed. Enter correct details. That means I have entered something wrong. Let's try again. Okay, let's log in. Yeah, it's successfully logged, and then it will come to a home page in which we can take attendance through webcam continuously or one by one. We can add it if you need to add a student means we can add through manually or by uploading an image. If the image quality is high or the face is clearly visible, we can upload it. Otherwise, we can take it through camera. But one condition here, we this image only takes high pixel rate, then only it will capture correctly. If the picture is blurry or something different means it will not capture, and machine learning will get some confusion. So while uploading an image it need to be perfect. Okay, and there is three buttons here: next page, encode, and logout is to encode and to log out this session, and encode. Encode is after adding we need to encode the details, then only it will captures their images. And next page, let's go to next page first. Here we can search it by search the details of the attendance by student or by date. And here also three buttons are the previous page, send mail. After completion of attendance we can send mail and we can log out. Okay, first of all come do see this. Let's see this. Search by student. Like I will give one student name Bharat and I will click enter. It displaying my name and teacher name slot. Here the teacher name slot are not given by me. It was given by entering the login credentials. It in Flash there is a thing like session. By using that session it will captures the teacher name and slot until you log out the session. So now the time and date is also displaying 22, 23, 25, and slot, teacher name, and subject also by the given slot and teacher name same means the subject also will be the automatically extracted from database. Now search with okay, let's search with date 2023. Oh, it's I already taken attendance today morning at 10:52, 10:59, 11:54. So it displaying the three members attendance. By clicking the send mail, it will send the attendance mail to them, and by logout it will log out. Let's go to add a student. Okay, and let's upload here. By uploading we enter the student name, VTU, mail ID, and we can choose file, and then we can upload here any image image file means it will upload. It doesn't matter if the extension is PNG or JPEG, it doesn't matter. If there is no, then we can add it manually. If like my name is Bharat, okay, I will add my video number 15898. Okay, video mail, here we need to enter only the video mail, otherwise it will not acceptable. Okay, I give it. By clicking add student it will can open a camera and then it will ask you for to capture an image. Okay, let's wait, it is loading. Okay, it's loaded. Let's see. Yeah, it's showing an image of me. Here we need to give an image of me with a good face. By capturing a good face only it will run the image, but my image are already present in the server, so I don't need it. I will quit this. Okay, we, let's try this to take attendance through webcam continuously or one by one. Let's try this webcam. Yeah, it is loading, just wait. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, see here my name is displaying here, and it's showing my name with a rectangular box around my face. So it can be used if the camera is present in a room. Each and every corporate class each and every corporate colleges have uh, cameras. So by you by continuously capturing this image we can use this take attendance through webcam. And there is another button like take attendance through webcam one by one. So let's see this. I already taken attendance morning with this slot and this project, so it doesn't taken again. It's showing 10:52 time only. Okay, let's try through one by one. One by one means one image after another image. Here through webcam continuously image, it will capture the image continuously. So the video also gonna lag. Now this see, here there is no square box or name, nothing is there. But here it's showing the video, live video. That's all. Now let's try to capture this image by entering E. Wait a minute. Let's run it again. I think it was overloaded. CV2 needs to display two frames. Then only it will work perfectly. Let's see again. Okay. Now it entered to the main page. Now let's check through attendance webcam one by one. Let's see now it will run or not. Okay, it opened a camera. Now let's see if it captures or not. Yeah, it's showing. Now here my name and my with face it's showing. We, by this module we can take multiple images. For example, I will let you. Come on. Okay, let's show with two images we will try to take attendance. Yeah, it's showing my name and his name also. Like this also we can continuously take attendance. If we do that the same thing with continuous camera also it will works. But if the camera is perfect only it will give the correct output. Otherwise it will give bugs. So by each and every corporate has a corporate college each have one camera with the high quality because they need to check up each and every class every time. So by using that camera we can take attendance through it. Okay, it's loading. Yeah, it's completed loading. See here, if we add another student means we need to encode conformly. Otherwise, it will not go through attendance. After the all completion, we can log out. Yeah, it's log out and showing again the login page. That's all. Thank you.